In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task in Lark. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a chat message into clear, trackable action without leaving your conversation. Lark makes task management part of your everyday chats, so you can capture decisions and keep momentum without switching tools. Start by opening the chat where the work belongs. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Choosing the right place matters because the task will live alongside the discussion that created it, making it easy for everyone to find context later. If you're working with a team, use the relevant group chat so all members have visibility. Next, look for the plus icon near your message box or in the toolbar. Click it to open the menu, then select Task or To Do. This is Lark's built-in task creator. Using it inside the chat ensures the task is tied back to the conversation, which helps reduce confusion and keeps responsibilities clear. Now enter the task name. Keep it short, specific, and action-oriented so it's obvious what needs to happen. For example, instead of writing Report, try Prepare Q3 Performance Summary. Clear titles help the assignee understand expectations at a glance. Assign the task to the right person by choosing the assignee from the list. They should already be part of the chat so everyone can see who's responsible. Assigning a single owner prevents overlap and makes follow-up easier. If the work involves multiple people, assign one owner and clarify collaboration in the description. Set the details that keep the task on track. Add a deadline, ideally with a specific date and time. This helps Lark schedule notifications and ensures the assignee sees when it's due in their own time zone. In the description, add any necessary context, such as objectives, key references, or links. The more guidance you provide here, the fewer back-and-forth messages you'll need later. When everything looks good, click Confirm or Create. Lark will post the task in the chat and attach it to your conversation history. This makes it easy to revisit the original discussion and see how the task came to be. The assigned person will receive a notification, so they're immediately aware of what they need to do. That's it, your task is assigned and the user is notified. From here, the assignee can work directly from their task list, and you can follow progress right in the chat. To recap, open the relevant chat, use the plus menu, choose task, name it clearly, assign the right person, add deadline and details, then confirm. You've just streamlined your workflow in Lark.